Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab and we are going to look at Windows 11 features and the desktop. Alright, so we want to go to Start and locate Settings, and then let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. We want to go ahead and locate, scroll down, go to About. Here we want to look at Windows Edition. This is Windows 11 Pro, and let's answer the questions. Which Windows is installed? From here it says Windows 11 Pro. Go ahead and select Windows 11 Pro. Let's minimize this and continue with the lab. Check the Windows version. That has been done. Enable remote desktop. On the left pane, select System, scroll down. Okay, so we'll go to Systems, scroll down, go to Remote Desktop. We turn this on. Go ahead and confirm. Go ahead, scroll down, go to Network, and we want to Advanced Network Settings. Go ahead and enable this and scroll down. The next task, File Explorer. Okay, let's close this, and according to the task, we go to File Explorer, click it, it's going to open up. We'll go to this PC, scroll down, go to Data, and under Data, right click, we'll go to New, and go ahead and create a new folder. So what are we to name it? Okay, according to the task, we're to name it Reports with an S. Okay, so and then we'll press enter. So there's is there anything we need to do here? Again, let's close this and enable remote. It's done. Enable network adapter is done. Use Explorer is done. Choose File Explorer is done. Select questions at the top. Alright, question, check Windows version. Enable remote desktop is done. Enable network adapter. What else is left for us? I guess everything we need to do here has been done. So we'll go ahead and scroll up and see how we do. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.
College life can be tough. Health, family, and life challenges can make tech courses overwhelming. Our tech tutoring service helps you master labs, discussions, and assignments, step by step. No matter the challenge, we ensure you rise above, with confidence and an A+. Dream Set Services, helping you succeed with confidence.